Glad you had time to get out of there.
Absolutely.
It's just a truck. You can replace the truck.
Of course.
It's right. It's
yes.
4:39. Cheetah, I was a little surprised this morning to hit some pretty heavy rain as I came in, but it was just brief.
Lisa, you said what I was thinking. I was like, oh no. I'm like, oh man. Well, you know what? We are tracking some rain, and it should be extremely brief. So all of that, yes, for your morning commute. Broad view on our radar this morning. This is the last little bit of the rain that we did see from yesterday. Upper area of low pressure passing off to the east. Cold front has already moved through. So again, we're just getting some residual wraparound moisture. Once this moves out, it's all about sunshine. Sunny skies this afternoon. Sunshine will take you right through into your Christmas holiday. But notice here on portions of 59, 45 northbound, 290, I-10 from Sealy into Katy this morning. We are tracking rain, and we are also tracking some scattered showers in Galveston. I also want to talk about, though, chilly temperatures this morning, so you'll need your jacket, take your umbrella, and then wind gusts expected this afternoon as we head into our evening hours up to about 30 to 35 miles per hour. So already in anticipation of that, the National Weather Service has issued a wind advisory that starts at 9 a.m. Live look over downtown. Visibility is not an issue here on your Thursday. Temperatures this morning in the 50s. So that's why I say grab the jacket. Here's a look at that wind advisory. Again, takes effect at 9 a.m. this morning. That's when the rain is out of here. Goes until 6 o'clock this evening. Sustained winds today around 20 to 25 miles per hour. So really strong winds in the forecast. If you are traveling today, are you headed from Houston to Dallas, Houston to Austin, or San Antonio? We're all covered in this wind advisory. So everyone will be tracking and talking about some really strong gusty winds. Hold on to the steering wheel. So your day part planner breaks down like this: 50s this morning with some rain, some of that sunshine with winds already around 20 to 25 miles per hour. At lunchtime today, high temps go to 61 with a lot of that sunshine. 61 with clear skies. Overnight we'll be falling back down to the 30s. High temps return to the 70s by the upcoming weekend, and then to welcome all Santa Claus this year, well, we are going to see temperatures return to the 70s and only about a 20% chance for a shower. Should be a really nice holiday forecast, Steph.
Ooh, that does sound good. All right, well, we do